Blue Prism is a global leader in intelligent enterprise automation, transforming the way employees work. By making it simple for individuals to automate operations, Blue Prism helps enterprises improve operational efficiency and agility. Hey everyone, I welcome you all to this video. In this video, we will understand what is Blue Prism. Let's look at today's agenda. We shall begin with what is Blue Prism and see the different features of Blue Prism, followed by which we will look at the architecture of Blue Prism and different components of Blue Prism. Proceeding further, we will see the key benefits of Blue Prism and some of the real-time applications of Blue Prism. Finally, we will see the companies using Blue Prism and salary trends. But before we begin, make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel and clicked on the bell icon so you never miss an update from Simplilearn. So without wasting any further time, let's get started with Blue Prism. What is Blue Prism? Blue Prism is a software that develops enterprise robotic process automation, allowing businesses to automate complex end-to-end operations. Blue Prism developed the virtual workforce platform concept and works on an enterprise robotic process automation platform that is strong, highly scalable, secure, and reliable. Blue Prism software complements standard IT solutions by utilizing an agile virtual workforce that follows rule-based business processes and interacts with the system in the same way that users do. Blue Prism's RPA software solution automates tasks that would otherwise be carried out manually by humans or through major customization of current IT systems, resulting in a higher level of automation with significantly lesser investment and faster deployment. Features of Blue Prism. Intelligent execution technology. Organizations can instruct the autonomous engine on process priorities, feed amounts of work, and leave it to run without human involvement, responding to systems, business scenarios, and change in priorities. Robots, like humans, can be used to do tasks based on SLA, volume, and priority, as well as adjust and change robot allocation dynamically without human intervention. High security. A software robot securely logs into an application and manipulates the presentation layer in the same manner as a person would, but in a controlled, non-invasive environment, ensuring that the application's integrity is never affected. On-premises or in the cloud. On-premises or hybrid enterprise deployment provisioned in a public or private cloud. The robots are existing and running. Any operation set in Blue Prism can be conducted on any number of robots in the virtual workforce. Built on Microsoft SQL Server. Blue Prism is built on Microsoft .NET Framework. It is technology flexible, working across different platforms and technologies such as mainframe, Windows App, WPF App, Java, SAP, custom apps, Citrix, thick client, thin client, web services, and so on. Scalability. Blue Prism is object-oriented, allowing for rapid scalability by utilizing reusable items and libraries. Analytics and reporting. Blue Prism provides high-quality data that can be used to produce relevant BI and MI reporting, as well as providing inline process statistics and real-time operational insights by capturing each step. Work queues. Work queues provides a queue-centric approach for dynamically controlling the number of resources or robots operating against a given queue at any given time, allowing for the greatest flexibility in the adjusting the number of resources assigned to collaboratively work items. Architecture of Blue Prism. Blue Prism technology is backed by a comprehensive methodology for rapid business process development, deployment, and operational support, allowing for a whole business process cycle to be completed within the same environment. This diagram depicts the architectural components of Blue Prism deployment, including all aspects to enable governance, security, and control, as well as the inherent flexibility to support operational agility and self-service. Monitoring and referrals. Technically, service monitoring and business-owned referral management for work items requiring additional manual steps. Operational and methodologies. A comprehensive framework for implementing Blue Prism methodologies, including analysis, design, development, and implementation. IT governance. The principles that underpin best practice in the process selection, change management, and release procedures. Operational configuration. Ownership of Blue Prism product for operational configuration, testing, and execution. Roles and responsibilities. Within the methodology, there are clear, developed roles for managing and implementing the many aspects of ongoing agility. Security. Functions of security products, infrastructure, and methodology that provide a secure and compliant implementation. Support and hosting. A robust, scalable infrastructure that allows for rapid deployment and expansion based on business requirements. Components of Blue Prism. Object Studio. Object Studio allows business users or IT professionals to construct reusable Blue Prism objects as the building blocks for the business process by modeling current applications and training Blue Prism as a robotic user. Object Studio is the design canvas on which the Blue Prism robot is programmed to conduct the fundamental system activities that serve as the foundation of process. The presentation layer, which provides a library of elements with which to operate, quickly models and validates the target desktop application. Process Studio. Process Studio provides a similar interface to Object Studio and allows you to sequence and test business logic, control loops, variables, and object calls in a visible business flow. Process Studio allows the company or IT to design, build, edit, and test processes made out of reusable Blue Prism elements. As the library of business objects grows, actions can be scheduled and controlled in the process layer, the top tier of the Blue Prism architecture. Processes in Blue Prism are comparable to software procedures in that they can invoke objects and operations in order to run applications, automate rule-based process, and business logic. Control Room. Control Room allows business or IT services to schedule, perform, and control processes. Blue Prism platform administrators can use the Blue Prism Control Room interface to monitor and review the status of interconnected runtime resources in the production environment. The interface also allows for manual process start and stop, automated process schedule setting, and extensive management information and dig downs into Blue Prism task queues. Applications of Blue Prism. Blue Prism's RPA software is used in the following process types. Rule-based processing using digital structured inputs such as credit card activation or fraud detection. Transactional processing that is repeated such as SIM swaps or invoice processing. Transaction quantities that are high such as billing or new handset order processing. Issues with process adherence quality such as policy renewals or policy migrations. Complex mission critical procedures such as pension redemptions and financial reconciliation. Changes in demand or backlogs such as new product launches. It is used in HR onboarding or the introduction of new online product where no integration exists. Benefits of Blue Prism. The first benefit is automation speed. Days and weeks to automate processes in Blue Prism that would take months and years to automate using the standard automation methodologies. Less expense. Robots are programmed with the business rules of repetitive duties and deployed to drive existing applications, eliminating the requirement for costly integration and process redesign expertise. Improved performance. A small specialist ability within the IT department collaborates with the robotic workforce to train them, manage referrals, and continuously enhance the robot's operational performance. Secure. The robotic automation platform is secure, audited, and governed with a governance IT corridor. The usage of software robots invariably increases compliance with applicable data standards, confidentiality, and the speed and accuracy of record keeping. Scalable. Because the software robots operate in a virtualized environment, they can be rapidly scaled up and down based on the demand. Companies using Blue Prism: Google, Microsoft, IBM, EY, KPMG, Accenture, Siemens, and Jaguar. Salary trends. In India, the average salary for a RPA developer Blue Prism is 6,04,046 rupees per year, and the salary ranges from 5,10,028 rupees to 9,90,000 rupees. In United States, the average salary for a Blue Prism developer is $88,875, and the salary ranges from $60,362 to $130,857. So with that, we have reached the end of this video. Please like and share if you found it interesting. Thank you for being here. Keep learning and stay tuned to Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.